Hello everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome to my channel. Today I am unboxing a first. I am unboxing what's called my daily goodie box. This is the first time I've received it. I have not cracked the tape. So let's get started. If this is the first time that you've been to my channel, I like to do unboxings. I like to do unboxings of freebies, crafts, sewing, quilting, journaling, all sorts of good stuff. So here it is. Now I know on Facebook they have a page where if you post on certain posts, they send you a goodie box. Well, I was posting forever and I never got a goodie box. The only reason I got one was they sent me an email. They were looking for YouTubers. So all the posts that I did on their Facebook page didn't matter. They never sent me one. But here we go. So it's a nice box, just like any actually subscription box. It says Daily Goodie Box. It's more than just free samples. And okie dokie. I'm showing you my prowess in opening boxes. And this is very nice. It's packed in blue tissue paper. And it says, "You got a goodie box, yay! Please enjoy all the free samples and full-size products inside. Remember to log into your account and share your thoughts and everything included in this box. Thank you." Okay, will do. There we go, and that's what it looks like. Ooh, I'm excited. So let's take out the beauty item first because I love beauty. It is by Real Chemistry. It looks like a full-size product. It's 0.5 fluid ounces. It's an environmental rescue daily serum. Real Chemistry. So I have not tried this product before. It's a powerful antioxidant serum. So cool. And I actually like the small size because when I start traveling again one of these years, this is the perfect size to take with you. And it's gooey. It looks like an oil. It's like an oily serum. So I'm very excited to try this. I love beauty products. So that's the first thing. Then they put in a Noko. Never heard of Noko, but it's limited edition Miami strawberry. It's a caffeinated drink, sugar-free and carbonated beverage. I like strawberry, and there's only 12 calories in this can, so that's nice. Ooh, it's cold. I can probably pop this open right now and try it. Let's do it. Okay. Remember, I'm going to give you my honest review. Let me try it one more time. This does have I do taste like strawberry flavor. It's not bad. It tastes like soda. I can tell you though, it's a little on the warm side. So if I pour this over ice, it would be much better. And this would actually make a nice mixture with a little vodka in it. If you wanted to have, you know, a cocktail, this would taste very good with a little vodka, or plain. So I would give this an 8. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. And I like the packaging. I love Miami. So, yay! That's not too bad. Okay, what's this? Hydrolyte electrolyte powder. This is a dietary supplement. It looks like there's 3 of them. There's little 3 It's these packages. So this is a dietary supplement. It has 100 milligrams of vitamin C. It also has electrolytes, zinc, and elderberry. No artificial colors, flavors, or sweeteners. This is perfect when you're working out and you put it in your water bottle. So that's what I'm going to use this for. I just hope it tastes good. You mix it here. It says with 7 ounces of water. So hopefully this tastes good. It's a berry blast. I'm just being sassy today. Oh, this is cool. Look at that. Birthday candles. These are paraffin-free, lead-free, Goodie birthday candles. Planting trees and tropical reforestation products is just one of the things we do to contribute to a better tomorrow. So that's cool. These are made in the United States in Telluride, California. And my son's birthday is next week, and I will use them. I love the little cute packaging. That's a score. Ooh. This is a shampoo bar by Aromarie. Tulsi spice. It's for your hair. So instead of a bottle of shampoo, they have it in bar form. And it's all the gluten, sulfites free, cruelty, gluten, paraben free. Cool. And you just rub bar into wet hair. Use fingers to rinse up later. Rinse and condition as normal. That's really nice, and I have to tell you, this packaging is the bomb. Whoever did this packaging, the design, did a great job. Really great job. I like it. Nice. So far, very impressed. Here is always toast before you drink. This is, what is this? They're gummies. There's 5 gummies in here. I think these gummies, I think they have alcohol in them. I don't know. It says take 1 serving. 1 serving is this whole package of 5 gummies. It says take 1 before your first drink. So, I'm not really sure what this is. It's a dietary supplement. Is it supposed to prevent a hangover? I don't know. I'm not even a big drinker. I hardly drink anymore. But I can tell you the first ingredient here is corn syrup, which I try to avoid. So, I don't know. I don't know what this is supposed to do. Is it supposed to, like, not get you drunk or make you feel better the next day? I don't know. It doesn't really tell me. It just says it's a dietary supplement. So, okay, so take some of these before you drink. Sure, I guess. I don't know. It's kind of weird. But there's actually 10 gummies in here. It says 2 servings per container. So, all right. I'll give this to my son if he drinks. I'm not really sure. My older son. Okay, now we got a Hemp Lip Balm by Echo Lips. It's vanilla mint. And this is organic lip balm. 20% fair trade certified. This doesn't have any SPF in it, but hey, I love lip balm, so I'm really excited to try this. And this is just your standard lip balm size. And this looks like the last thing. Oh, this is cool. This is plant-based tomato jerky. Sriracha. It's hot. It's hot. This is made out of sun-dried tomatoes. So I am not going to try this straight because I can tell you if I don't know. All right. I was not going to try it, but let's go ahead and try it. I think this would taste, since it's all plant-based, it would probably taste good with, like, I don't know, cheese. I can't even get this open. There we go. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. So it does look like sun-dried tomatoes. This would be something I'd want to put, like, chop it up in a salad or something, or put it in a recipe. I don't know about eating it by itself, but let's try it. There's surely a lot in here, and these are definitely tomatoes, and Sriracha tell me it's going to be spicy. It's chewy. I don't really like it. It's okay. I'm gonna go by my first honest assessment. I'm not crazy about it. What I can tell you is that they are real sun-dried tomatoes, and it seems to have natural ingredients in it like chili pepper, sugar, garlic, salt, distilled vinegar. But I wouldn't eat them plain. If I wanted to like kick up like a slice of pizza, I chop it up, and then when I heat up the pizza in the oven, I would drop it on top. That would be cool. But just to eat it plain like that, I'm not really liking it too much. Okay. And the rest is some coupons for a clean candle club. Save 20%, Goodie 20 Good Light candles. And then there is a thank you card saying if you like the gummies, post it on Instagram. You can always have a chance to win something. Then 20% off of the electrolyte powder, DGB Immune. We'll say you view 20% off your first order if you're interested in that. And then this is just a card on the real chemistry products. Yeah, this is $16, so that's a really nice sample. Anyway, my favorite stuff are the shampoo, the serum, love the candles, like the drink, it would be much better on ice. And of course, I love the lip balm. This I'm not too crazy about, but you know, that's just me. And I do like tomatoes. This, I'm not really sure what it's supposed to do for me. Is it supposed to like give you a milder hangover or no hangover the next day? Or is it just a bunch of, you know, thiamine and niacin and zinc before you go out on the town drinking? And I don't go out drinking anymore. So that was a good box. Thank you, Daily Goodie Box. I so appreciate you sending me this, and I hope I can do some more reviews for you in the future. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I love my subscribers, and I hope you all have a great day. Take care. Bye.